Hey, it's me, Mr. NX7. So this is my first YT tutorial. In this video, I will teach you how to make this type of cool text animation in After Effects. Okay, first write a text, and I also provide the font download link in the description. Then select pen tool and do it like this. If you want to go to the next letter, then first click the middle square like this, then jump to the next letter. Okay, mask all the letters and you're done. Then go to the effects and search Stoke. Copy my settings. Also, you can adjust the settings if you want. Then add the first keyframe at the beginning and add the second keyframe at the end like this. Then go to the effects and search light sweep. Apply the settings like this. And pre-compose it. Okay, at the last add deep glow and drop shadow. If it helps you, leave a like and subscribe, and also in the comments section tell me what other tutorials you want next.